Welcome again, everybody. This is gonna be another unboxing video, and this time we are going to unbox the Basher BT-4 touring car from Hobbyking. So this is a brand new car. It isn't even out yet. It will be out maybe in December or early next year. So I'm very excited about that car. Let's take a look at the box. Actually, this is the kit version, so there is no electronic in this box, and the car is unassembled, so you have to assemble it. But there will be also ARR version, which includes the electronics, as you can see on the picture. Very nice body, by the way. Okay, so let's look inside the box. First of all, there is a user manual, an instruction manual. Which contains some double-sided tape and some screws and antenna. And this is the body. As you can see, this is a clear body, so you have to paint it before you use it. Of course, you've got masking for the painting. Very nice body. Looks like a Mazda 6 maybe, or something like that. So first you have to trim it, and then you have to paint it. And here are some stickers for the car. Okay. So first of all, here are some slick tires with foam inserts, and we also have the wheel for them. I think this is a 12mm hex size wheel. This is the bag A, and as I see, we can find bearings, a diff, out drives, silicone oil for the diffs. So this is a diff bag. Bag B has quite a few things in this bag. I can see a spur gear inside, 48 pitch and 83 tooth spur gear, belts. It's a bell driven car, by the way. Maybe shock towers here. And some other mountings. Bag H. I think this is the battery holder, and it contains a Velcro strap. Bag C, these are the hinge pins, arms, and some arm mounting hardware. Bag G, the bumper, bag E, I can see hubs in there, the shafts, the hexes, bearings, bag F, this is going to be the bag for the shocks. We also have a silicone oil here. Bag D, servo arms, quite a few types, bearings, there are turnbuckles, and last but not least, this is the main chassis, and as you can see, it is made from carbon fiber, so I think it is going to be a very nice car. Okay, so that was it. Our box is empty now. I can't wait to put this car together. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, goodbye.